Is your Spotify DJ mode mysteriously vanishing, leaving your listening experience feeling a little less vibrant? Don't worry, we've all been there. This common issue can be frustrating, but thankfully, there are a few simple solutions to get DJ mode back and spinning in no time. First things first, let's make sure your Spotify app is up to date. Open up your phone's app store, search for Spotify, and tap the update button if it's available. Next, let's try clearing the app's cache. Go into your Spotify settings, scroll down until you find the clear cache option, and tap it. A quick restart of your device can often resolve many software glitches, so power off your phone and then turn it back on. Now, open Spotify again, head to your home screen, and you should now see DJ mode featured prominently. If not, try swiping down to refresh your feed. If DJ mode is still playing hide and seek, it might be a regional rollout. You can visit the Spotify help website and search for DJ mode to see if it has been officially rolled out to your region. Yet sometimes, patience is key. As a final resort, try logging out of your Spotify account and then logging back. In this can help refresh your account's connection to Spotify's servers. There you have it. With these steps, your DJ mode should be back, ready to mix your favorite tracks and elevate your listening experience. Happy listening!